What if I told you there's a single daily habit silently stealing your energy, crushing your confidence, and keeping you stuck in the same place? You wake up feeling tired, you can't focus, and no matter what you try, something just feels off. But what if the key to self-mastery, real power, and unshakable confidence has been hiding in plain sight, ignored by most, but mastered by the few? Stay with me, because once you understand this, you won't look at this everyday behavior the same way again. This is about a subject most people avoid, something we pretend is no big deal. Society says it's normal, even healthy. But have you ever stopped and truly questioned it? What if the truth is darker than you've been told? What if this so-called harmless habit is actually weakening you? The ancient Stoic philosophers, men who built empires and shaped the world, understood something modern culture doesn't. They saw the danger of easy pleasure. They knew discipline wasn't just a virtue, it was power. And today, we're going to explore exactly what they knew, so you can break free, take back control, and finally start building the life you're meant to lead. The hidden enemy. How this habit slowly destroys you. Let's not pretend you've felt it, that dull emptiness afterward, that regret, that sluggish, unfocused state that makes you question your choices. Why does something that's supposed to bring pleasure make you feel so drained and lost? Here's why. Every time you give in to this habit, your brain gets flooded with dopamine, the chemical linked to pleasure and reward. But here's the catch. The more you chase this artificial high, the more your brain gets wired to expect it. Over time, it stops finding joy in the real world. Relationships, goals, success. Your motivation dies because your mind thinks you've already won without actually doing anything. This is an addiction, silent, sneaky, and it kills ambition. And centuries before we had neuroscience, the Stoics were warning us about this exact trap. How pleasure makes you weak. Seneca, one of the wisest Stoic thinkers, once said, "A man who is ruled by his body can never be free." And that's what happens here. When you keep chasing cheap pleasure, you're not in control. Your urges are. Every time you give in, you train yourself to be weaker. You send your mind a message, "I can't resist this. I need it." But real strength? That comes from restraint. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king of Rome, believed a man's power lies in his ability to rule over himself. He didn't just talk about discipline, he lived it. And that discipline is what made him one of history's greatest leaders. The more you surrender to desire, the more it owns you. The more you run after quick highs, the more distant real happiness becomes. Now here's something most people overlook. Every truly powerful man in history, whether warrior, emperor, or visionary, had one trait in common. They weren't slaves to their cravings. They chose strength over comfort, purpose over pleasure, and that's exactly why they rose above the rest. How to take control and rise. Again. So, how do you break the chains? How do you escape the grip of a habit that quietly robs you of your energy, time, and potential? The answer is found in 3 ancient principles, taught by the Stoics and practiced by the greatest men in history: discipline, direction, and energy redirection. First, discipline, the foundation of real freedom. Epictetus once said, "You are free only when you master yourself." And that's the truth. The moment you choose to no longer be ruled by your cravings is the moment your real power starts to return. Now, self-control isn't about punishing yourself or living in misery. It's about choosing what actually matters over what feels good for a moment. Each time you fight the urge, even just once, your mind grows stronger. You train your brain to obey you, not your impulses. With every win, your willpower sharpens, and slowly, that habit begins to lose its grip on you. 2. Purpose. Fill the void with something that fuels you. The Stoics believed a man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder, adrift, directionless, and vulnerable to every wave. This is one major reason men fall into this destructive pattern. They have no higher goal, no mission, no fire driving them forward. Think about it. If your focus is locked on creating something great, whether it's a business, your body, a vision, a dream, you simply don't have time for mindless distractions. The solution isn't just quitting the habit, it's replacing it with something better, something that pulls you toward your higher self. Build, grow, push your limits. When your life has purpose, your energy finds its rightful path. 3. Energy transmutation. Turn your urges into power. Here's something powerful the modern world rarely talks about. Your sexual energy is your most potent force. It's the engine of your ambition, creativity, and drive. But when you waste it, that energy disappears, along with your edge, your focus, your momentum. Now consider this. Warriors, monks, visionaries, and artists throughout history knew this truth. They practiced something called transmutation, channeling their primal energy into high-level goals. Nikola Tesla, the genius inventor, famously remained celibate because he believed that preserving his energy gave him a mental and creative edge others didn't have. When you stop wasting that energy and start harnessing it, something shifts. Your thoughts become clearer, your goals become sharper, and your drive becomes almost unstoppable. That's what the Stoics taught. Stop leaking your power chasing meaningless highs. Instead, use that same fuel to push yourself forward, to build a life that makes you proud. Not a quick release, but lasting strength, lasting results, lasting freedom. What changes when you finally let go? Just picture this for a moment. You wake up each morning feeling bold, focused, and fully alive. No shame, no inner conflict, just raw, unstoppable energy flowing through your body. You're no longer held back. You're driven, clear-headed, hungry for growth and purpose. This is the shift that happens when you stop letting that habit control you. Your hormone levels stabilize. Your thinking becomes razor-sharp. Your hunger to achieve and build something meaningful skyrockets. But the most powerful change? You take back control of your own thoughts. You become the master of your actions, no longer a slave to your urges. This is what the Stoics truly meant by freedom. It's not just about cutting off a bad routine. It's about stepping into the role of the man you were born to become. Your final test. So now it comes down to this. Will you stay locked in that cycle of weakness? Or will you finally step up and lead yourself out? Will you keep wasting your strength on something that gives you nothing in return? Or will you rise above and choose to live with purpose? It's your move. But don't forget, no powerful man in history ever bowed to his desires. The ones who shaped the world first learned to rule over themselves. So, if you're ready to reclaim your edge, your energy, and your masculine power, subscribe now and join this journey. Your path to true self-mastery starts right here and right now.